So what is up mga ka-tech shop? So for today's video mga ka-tech shop, I have here a Wiko 10 dead boot. When I charge it, no response, no vibrate, no sound, nothing. So if you're interested in this video mga ka-tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you how I fixed it. Let's go. So what's up mga tech shop? So I tested Wiko 10, but no power, no response, no vibrate, no sound, nothing. And when I search parts for this Wiko 10, I cannot find any available parts like charging board, etc. So it's not available online yet for some reason. It's a China phone, I believe. So let's go ahead and disassemble and let's see what is happening on this phone. I applied heat to the back of the phone to remove the back cover, and then using a prying tool to pry it. Just be careful when prying the back cover. And if you're interested in the tools that I've been using on my repairs, just check the description. I'm putting all the links on the description. Alright, back cover is out. Let's clean up the back portion, remove the old glue and all the screws that holds this second layer of back cover. And then there's a cover on the camera area. You need to remove it and unscrew the two screws behind that camera cover. Alright, let's remove all the unwanted glue. And then let's pry this camera cover. There's two screws behind this cover. We'll need to remove it first, and then finally remove the second layer of back cover for Wiko 10. Alright, and just be careful because there's a fingerprint flex cable on this second layer of back cover. So let's remove the battery and the charging flex cable, and let's test it with a multi-tester. We need to verify if there's a voltage or if voltage reaches to this flex cable. Basically the issue is, according to the customer, it doesn't charge, so they are thinking that the issue is on the charging port. But as you can see here, there's voltage on the flex cable. However, from the motherboard to the battery, there's no longer voltage, so something is going on in the motherboard. I tried a new battery, and I was able to power on the phone. So this means that motherboard is working, and then a certain area of the motherboard is not working. So I believe the issue is somewhere in the charging IC. So we need to check that one. So it says it's charging, but after a few minutes the percentage of the battery did not increase. So something is really going on. So I checked the battery, nothing looks burned, so I assume that battery is working. And I tested again the battery, battery port, and that motherboard, still it doesn't have any voltage. So that's why it's not charging. The voltage doesn't reach to the battery. So let's remove the motherboard and check why it's not charging. Charging board is working, but the issue is from the motherboard going to the battery. uh, there's no voltage. So let's investigate why this is not working.
Recording. Yeah, camera na ta.
Using
Camera.
digital microscope, so we can see what is going on.
Kuha ka niya. So, na to guys. Sa ito makita dire. So, basically, this is the charging. Masa charging port or battery port. Alright, battery port. This one's ground. Kani ground is here. Battery asan siya connected? Going to the back. So very connected na siya dali. Possible kaning align. I think masang charging siguro. Magato siyang i-measure diode mode. Red probe to ground. This is ground. Any metal plate. Dili man. Dili siya shorted. So question is nga nung wala siya musuod niya. So kani dapat connected ni silang duha, diba? Kani and gani. Dapat dili ni sila connected. Right. Lapos na siya dire. Kani matutanawon. Kaning area. Okay, let's investigate further, bro. So may makita na ito rin. Tanan is covered. So we need to check what's behind it. Wait. Dapat na ano siya connection. Wait sa ating investigator. So this is the flex cable for charging going to from charging board going to motherboard. So are they connected? Hindi siya connected. Hindi siya connected directly, but dire gyud mo gawas ang voltage. Ground. This is ground. So from here, dire gyud siya igo. So meaning, okay, we can open this day. So let's try opening it. Maybe we can open it. Dala. Dali lang di. Okay. Dala. Na-open na to, guys. And let's see what's behind it. Ay obvious something. Wala. Kaya ganito eh. Tuwan na ito. So, measure ta. Diode mode. Red probe to ground. Check lang na itong mga pandalo. Ground. Yes, ground. Red probe to ground. Ano siya? Wala. Wala is short. What's this? Okay. Kani? Wala is short. Oh, it's short. Neither way. Hindi sad. That's my problem ano eh. Hindi siya ma-charge. Yan makaha. Okay, so meron nga area. Ito na itong numbers ni. So ni. Klaro guys. Brown and then dairy. Gitu. Ano? 20 volts. Oh, good. Wait, ato sa dito ito. Ano? Bakit? Ato tanggalan na siya. Tanggalan na siya. Tanggalan na siya. Let's see ha. Na ito na ba ni solving voltage? Most likely na gini. Pila voltage ni sud. Naa gitu. Naa gitu ang problema ko no. Naa gitu rin. Kasi rin pa niya. So, saan din siya? Ay. Kaya yan, klaro na. Terkilid na klaro siya. May GM4153. Okay. Gamitin na to. Ito sa edge. Ito sa Google GM41513. Ito ba? Sana? 8 siya. SJS. Saan? SG1513. Yes. Sama siya. Tara. Sign na supplier. Data sheet. Tara. Ito na. Our battery chargers and system power path management devices. Integrated converter and power switches. Or using a single cell line. This highly integrated 3A battery is capable of fast charging. For fast charging din na siya. So, kaning usa South chip. So, kaning usa South chip. S8545. Sunod na. 63. 6JP 6JP16 6JP16 sama lebih wala sa kanya wala siya makita. Ito 68545 68545 search wala gitu kan nih ba yang balik yun connected data ini version ini most likely nagumba na siya most likely kan nih nagumba. We don't have kung siya short circuit sa akong meron kan nih may nagumba. Reset, try na to reset. So try, iya kadang-kadang. Okay na naghan. So, ada tadari.
Alright, so now we were able to make it to work, like from motherboard going to the battery port. There is now enough voltage, so this will charge the battery. However, when I tested it, I noticed that the charging is not consistent, so it means that the charging port as well is having a problem. So I decided to replace it with a new charging port. So here, as you can see in the video, there is now voltage coming from the motherboard going to the battery, which is, yeah, it's a good sign, right? However, when I keep on moving the phone, sometimes it's gonna charge and sometimes it doesn't. So clearly there's something wrong with the charging port as well. So I remove it and replace it with a new one. And I got lucky because I have a spare spare USB Type C charging port. So I just applied 350 degrees Celsius heat and flux on the port. I waited for 30 seconds, and I was able to remove the port. This is from a donor board, and I will move it to the actual charging board for Wiko 10. So we'll prepare, clean it up, remove the old lead using the soldering wick, and then attach the new charging port. And then we'll need to make sure that that line there connects to the capacitor. That means that the voltage will reach to the motherboard. So the capacitor and that line is connected. So since we confirmed that it is connected, now let's go ahead and assemble the phone and test it with a charger. So I did a testing first. I put on a charger and monitor the voltage, and it seems that voltage is going into the motherboard, which is a good sign. And then let's test the port for the charging flex. There should be a voltage as well, which is good. And from that flex going to motherboard, there should be voltage. Now let's assemble the phone, and that's how I fix this problem. Basically monitoring where the voltage goes. And yeah, if you're interested in this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also check the description. All the tools that I've been using in this repair is on the description. Let's go! Good. second,